welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video. I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm going to show you guys how I got this look really quick and easy and simple. Most of the time I don't have time to sit there and like do my makeup for like forever, and like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. So this is just how I do my makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I'm probably the only one that still uses Milk of Nigeria as primer. It works for me. I've tried so many different stuff and it hasn't worked. I have an oily skin, so this is like the only thing that really works for me. I've already moisturized my face, so I just apply this all over and it leaves my face like really matte. I'm gonna apply it and I'm gonna allow it to dry whilst I do my eyebrows. First I comb it out, then I use, this is a Wet n Wild pencil. You can't really see each other, but it's one of the best pencils. I love it. I outline it first and then I just make strokes in the front like that. Just follow the line, the pattern, whatever. So after I do that, I take the LA Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm just gonna outline or go around. So I do use the brush on the thing first because I feel like it's easier. Better if you have like a smaller mirror, you know, up close so you can see better. So now I'm gonna take this brush and fix it. Eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this color. I'm horrible with eyeshadow, like I'm trying to learn and get better. So we'll see. Then I'm gonna take this LA color thing. I'm gonna use this one here. And I don't do one eye at a time. I gotta do it side by side because, listen, I'm not a pro. So once I do that, I'm gonna take a different brush. Gonna blend everything so that it's not like looking crazy. See, my face is dry. I'm going to apply my foundation. I use the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the color, this is the last shade by the way, in this one, Cartoon Dark 4. Then I take the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. To contour, I use the shade. That's why it's like completely done. I I use the bottom of the Beauty Blender. So once that's done, I'm going to take a lighter, the same LA Pro concealer, but in warm honey. And I'm just going to contour a little more, just a little bit. So for this one, I pretty much just do under the eyes and then contour the nose. So to contour the nose, I use the same LA Pro concealer. This is Mahogany. Then I'm going to bake now. I use the LA colors. I combined that and the Sasha Buttercup powder. Take a little bit of this and a little bit of that. After that, I'm just gonna comb my eyelashes out. I don't bake for too long. Some people will wait for, I don't know, forever, but I'm ready. I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. Then what I do, because it leaves my face like really white, is I take the Prep Prime from MAC. I'm gonna take my fan and my African fan. I'm gonna take this Anastasia Subculture. It's an eyeshadow palette, but I use this one to like, I'll show you. And I use this BH Cosmetic highlighter. Then I will use the same MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to just go over and blend. Lashes. Wild black eyeliner. And cleaning up with the concealer. I learned this from Vanessa Gima, to blend your eyelashes with the fake ones, because you get powder and like makeup all over it. Now I am going to do my lips. I'm gonna brown eyeliner. Before I'll just put them outside, you know, the outline, but now I like to go further. Make them fuller. So once I have that, then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Naked liquid lipstick. And my lip gloss. This is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think, if you like it, if you don't. What are some of the things that you guys do? Leave me comments, let me know. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button, okay? Thank you guys, I love you.